Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today I googled how to, or not really how to, more like if I can cook spam in the microwave. So Google says yes, we can do it. So let's see, let's put it in the test and see if it's actually doable or not. So I'm actually just testing one or two slices so I don't waste the whole can if I screw it up, right? So let's do this. There you go. According to Google, I should heat it around 1 to 2 minutes, maybe at medium. Let's see. Hmm. So I tried the first 2 minutes. Doesn't look like it's cooked yet. So let's put another maybe 2 minutes in there and maybe switch this to medium high. Let's try another 1 minute. Okay. Let's see. Don't know if you can see. I think it needs 1 more minute, I think. Let's see. So going 4 minutes. 2 minutes at medium, and then we tried another 1 minute at medium high, and then this is the last one on medium high. Let's see if this works. Ooh, wow. Well, that looks okay, I think. Cool thing, after I removed it, it's stuck together. But let's see, it looks cooked. Let's see, let's try it first. This actually looks okay. Let's see. Okay, kind of gets stuck. Okay. Let's see how it tastes and what's the difference from when it's, oh shoot, when it's fried. Ah, too much ketchup. Ah. I'm gonna just try this. Well, apparently you can. Tastes nice. It's almost, it tastes almost the same as when I fried it. Less oily. So I guess Google, you were right. You can't microwave spam. Alright, till then, ciao.